A quick tutorial on how to create a new analysis. When you log in, you will come to your home page on this solution. To create a new analysis, click the button at the top left. The new analysis wizard will guide you through setting up an analysis. We type in the name of the analysis we are about to create. We can choose between different input alternatives. Click the help link to learn more. In this example, we want to create an analysis where the periods are months. In this example, we want to input the expected values. First, we select which period we expect to start having revenues, and how much revenues we expect in that period. Then we input the expected revenues at the end of the forecast. The last step is to input the expected costs. We split the costs between variable costs and fixed costs. You can later, inside the solution, change all the data we have input. After we have clicked the Finish button, all the data is saved, and the forecast is calculated. The model. The input is made at the bottom half of the solution, organized into input tabs. You select Output from the drop-down lists in the top left area. The selected output is then shown on the top right. An example on how you can change the data. First, I select to include costs in the chart, and then I will change these input costs. Simply click in the cell where you want to make or change an input. You can use the standard Excel spreadsheet formulas. Simply drag and drop to copy the cell and the formula. Click the Calculate button to update the calculation. The new input costs are equal to the costs that are output in the chart. The input consists of two areas. The top area is for specified inputs, as labeled in the column A. The bottom area is a free space area. Here you can have other data, specified calculations, etc. I will show you an example on how you can include more specified input. In this example, I will split the fixed costs into two different types of fixed costs. You can do this for the revenues and the other input variables also if needed. As already mentioned, you can use the basic Excel spreadsheet formulas. You can drag and drop the formulas just as you would in a spreadsheet. You can then link the specified input to these help calculations that you have set up in the free space area. Then click the Calculate button in order to update your calculation. The new input costs are equal to the costs that are output in the chart. Now an example of the calculation that is being done. First, I select a chart layout that shows the difference between the revenues and the costs. In this example, the difference between the revenues and costs is equal to the operating cash flow. I select to output the operating cash flow. The operating cash flow is negative the first periods. I select to output the calculated financing need. The calculated financing need is the accumulated, or total, financing need that is necessary to cover the first months with negative operating cash flow. Then the last part of this quick tutorial, the reporting. In order to create a report or presentation, you must select the Report tab. Input the name of the new report or presentation. Click the Save button. Then you can add the selected chart to the report simply by clicking the Add to Report button. At the top right, you get a confirmation that the chart is added to the report. Then you can select a new chart that you want to add to your report. There are many other charts you can add to the report. You can also add text pages, images, and videos to the report. Click the Save button. Create a report link. Enable report links. And then click Add Link. Give this report link a name. In this example, we select a live version report. Click the Save button. Then we can open the report link in order to see the report. You can also copy the report link and send it by email, message, etc. The reports can contain interactive charts, text, images, and videos. The report are mobile friendly, and you can continuously update them. This solution is very easy to use, you will learn a lot, and you will save a lot of time.